Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you Kamal work. Let's start. For Kamal work we need this cone thread. This one is called also Kamal work thread. If you don't have, we can go through anchor pearl ball. It will be very thick. This one also thick. For this stitch, we need blunt needle. For Kamal work, two steps are there. First one is skeleton work and second one is weaving work. Now I am going to show you how to do skeleton work. Start from 1. Come back to this circle. Go to 2. Come back to circle. Again go to 3. Come back to circle. Again 4. Come back to circle. Again go to 5. Come back to circle. Again 6. Come back to circle. Now our skeleton work is finished. Now I am going to show you how to do weaving. So for this I am going to start outside to this circle. Now I am going to turn the needle. First you go to take 5. I am going down. Again I am taking 3. Again 1. By coming back I am taking 2, 4, 6. Now odd numbers 5, 3, 1. Now even numbers 2, 4, 6. Now I am going to leave 1 and 6. Now I am going to leave 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 4. 5, 3. Now I am going to leave 2, 5. Now I am going to leave 4, 3. Now I am going down at 4. One petal is ready. This is another pattern, same work. Same method I am doing skeleton work. I didn't draw lines, I draw only dots. Skeleton work is over. I am going to start weaving work. Leave first one, take second one, 4th, 6th, 8th, 10th, 9, 7, 5, 3, 1. Same method how we did previous. Now I am going to leave this last one. This side also. So it's look like a fan. Here it is Kamal work. For this flower I did only one petal. Real patterns will come like this shape. I draw only these dots and I will do same work. Here it is a fan shape Kamal work. Here it is Kamal work. In this thread chunky also mixed it is there. You can use these edges, beads also you can use with separate thread. Here I used running stitch and lazy daisy rings. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Meet you in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.